will be needed for this project. You need 1 large foam board, 3 pink flowers, 11 square mirrors, 3 vases, 3 of these candle holders and 3 of these type of candle holders, 2 knobs, or you can get the bling knobs, painter's tape, some pink gems, and a regular roll of gems along with gold spray paint. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is tape these off. I've already taped these 2, so I'm going to go ahead and tape this off. Now it's not the easiest. I'm using this electrical tape because it's thinner, but it's not exactly easy. Okay, now the next part is we're going to just cover a couple of these lines, and it's going to be the second line here. Okay, the next step is to get your foam board and your mirrors, and you're going to start laying them out so that you can cut the board. Now it's time to attach the mirrors. Okay, now it's time to attach the gold tape that I got at the Dollar King. So I had cut a second foam board. Now it didn't come out perfect, but it's not going to show. So I'm going to go ahead and try and glue this right quick, and just to give it some more support. Let's see if this will. Okay, now the next step is going to be, we're going to need some heavy glue for this. Okay, so for the next part, you remember we've painted these, and now it's time to attach these. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use our heavy glue just around the bottom. Okay, now that our spray painting is dry, let's go ahead and remove the tape and see how it came out. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do after you wipe down any excess messes, some of it was on the inside, so I had to clean it out. Then I'm going to add my pink bling, and I just want to add it. You can add it on top and bottom. I just kind of want to add it to this bottom part right here. Okay, so we are at the finale. Now all the last things we have to do, we have to attach these. I'm just going to go ahead and glue this up. Okay, now the very last part is we're going to take these flowers and we're going to just cut them very end like this. And we're just going to take the top off. Now what we're going to do, we're going to stick the flowers inside, and once you stick it inside, you're going to place this on top with the candle. So I'm going to do that, and you'll see the final finale.